I cannot get over how fluffy this baby is. I just can't get over it. This baby is most likely from Daisy, I'm sorry, Ava and Dylan, because she had fertile eggs before, but it didn't work out. But Daisy and Cecil's eggs, they were fertile, but one of them had a kind of a different kind of shape, and that would have been her first real try. So either way, this baby is going to be split, Rosie, of course, but either Lutino or Rubino. I gotta figure out a way to mark eggs so I can tell if I have to do the fostering of the eggs again. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And I am gonna start hand feeding this beauty. Yeah. But not yet. Yeah. We got 4 more coming from my opaline fallow Ruby and Mr. Friendly. But at least for me, this baby has been the fluffiest from my flock. Oh, your mama's calling for you. Yeah. Just a beautiful, beautiful baby. And yes, this baby is as soft as this baby looks. So thanks for watching. I do breed different species. I hand feed and I ship. And you get lots of other little extras when you buy a baby from me. My Facebook is Kiku and Hoshi Dumont, and that will be in the description. Oh, baby, are you tired? Yeah. And friend me if you're interested in our bird, or if you just enjoy watching birds. I put videos up for the new parents to get a good look at their babies. So, not sure who's going to get this baby, because we've got some folks that are looking for certain sexes, but I'm pretty excited about this baby and the 4 other ones to be hatching soon. Yeah, so lots of Bourkes. Yeah. So sweet. Get baby food under my nails. Thanks for watching. Have a birdie terrific day. Tweet, tweet.